could be lying and tell you you're fine. I could be lying the rest of the night, but I won't do it, no, no way, I'm saying so. I could pretend that you're doing okay. I could give in when you want.
Hey loves, if y'all want to see how I achieved this look with an inexpensive wig from Amazon, definitely stay tuned. So I will leave the link and the specs to this wig in the description bar if y'all are interested in it. But of course, I'm starting off with my wax stick. I was a little heavy-handed with it. Definitely be careful when you're using this wax stick. Don't put as much product as I did on your wig, because you can make it greasy and kind of clunk up, so don't do that. And I'm using my hot comb to just smooth out the front, just so I can see how the hairline is looking. Now, I am not going to do anything extra with this hairline. I'm not going to pluck it. I'm just going to wear it just like how it came. The hairline's not that bad. It does have a plucked hairline, so yeah, I don't think I really need to do too much to it. Just press it back so I can really, get a feel for how it looks. Okay, so now I'm just going to take some of my foundation, which is a little bit too dark. I brought this foundation in the summertime, but yeah, this is all I have. And I'm just going to tint my wig cap with it. Y'all know what to do. Just so your wig can blend in a little bit more with your skin tone. Now, I did bleach the knots on this wig, but I am going to tint the lace as well, just so we can get it to blend in a little bit better. This wig was a little bit too big for me on the side, so I'm just cutting it a little bit just around my ears so it'll fit a little bit better. Okay, now it's time to cut off the remaining lace, and I like to cut it in like a kind of jagged zigzag type of way, just so it won't be like a line straight across, and it'll blend in a little bit more with your skin. Okay, so I'm just going to be using Gots to Be Free spray to secure my wig. I'm not going to be wearing this for long at all, so I don't need like a long lasting hold, and this worked really well. So I'm just going to spray it on my hairline and blow dry it just to tack it down. So I am going to add some baby hairs just to hide that line on the lace. Since I used foundation that was a little bit too dark, it's really not seamless. So we're just going to add some baby hairs just to cover it up, and it'll be just fine. And I'm taking a rag with some alcohol in it just to get up some of that dried up glue. But you have to be careful when you do that so you won't, loosen up your wig. I'm not going to really worry about this side too much because I'm going to have hair covering it, so it won't be seen. But I'm going to do just a little bit just in case the wind blows, just in case. So now I'm just going to take an elastic band and tie it around the hairline and actually blow dry it just to melt the lace in a little bit more than it is. This is a great trick, you guys. Definitely try it. Just take regular elastic band, tie it around your hairline, and blow dry it. Now you can stop right here and wear it like this. It's really cute. I did wear it like this for a little bit, but right now I am going to put half of it behind my ear. I really like that look. I kind of want it to look nice and sleek. Ooh, child, watching this is giving me anxiety. Please be careful with these hot combs. They are no joke when they hit that skin, girl. I was real bold. Okay, now I'm just taking some concealer and kind of putting it on some of the lace that's showing, just so it'll look a little bit more like skin. So this is a good trick to do. Just, put some of your concealer in the little spots of lace that are showing, and just makes it look that much more realistic. I'm taking a little bit of Garnier Fructis Frizz Ease and putting that all over the hair. Just give a nice shine. Okay, y'all, that is it. Just showing you a little video that I took on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, definitely follow me. The link will be in the description box. I really like this hair, and I think you will too. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will see y'all later. Bye.